Hello everyone. Now let me just zoom you in so you're a bit closer into what I'm doing. Right, anybody that watched my the original video of this, the exhaust I made was just a straight pipe, straight through, and I think it's been choking the engine up too much. So the plan is to make a 4x1 branch. I've got a 4x1 collector, which is in the wrong place. Cut that out now.
Is she going mad?
So, hello Jess, you come to see what I'm doing? Right, the plan is to do a proper 4x1 system. I've got the 4x1 collector, which I bought a little while ago, and that's going to go. That's hard to. I'm going to put that down there somewhere. I'll put it in the place where I need it. And I bought a load of tube, and I'm going to try and do a 4x1. The other side's not a problem because the steering arm's not in the way. I've got to deal with this steering arm. So I've cut originally these flanges were all connected, and I've separated them so I can do each pipe separately. Don't have to keep taking them all off at the same time. So I plan to come down here somewhere, somehow. I've got to bring one side. I think what I'm going to try and do is I'll bring the back 2 cylinders this side of the steering arm and down, and then the front 2 down that side. Possibly there is a chance that I could take them down the same side, but that's something I'll have to work out as I go. I bought a selection of pipes. I bought some 45s. I don't know what that is, not 180, not quite. I didn't see the point in getting 180s, and I bought some 90-degree bends. I bought 4 of each, thinking, and I bought a piece of 1 inch. I bought a piece of 1 metre long 45mm tube. Once it's gone into the collector, that'll be 2 inch from there. Not really worried about that. So we'll see if we've got enough. I've got a feeling I didn't think I'd need more straight pipe, but I might after this. But it doesn't take long. It only takes a couple of days once you order it. So I'll see what I can do. I did actually think about coming this side of the frame, but I don't want the exhaust coming out the side of the car. I want it going out the back, and then I'd have to figure out to get it over and under and wiggle about, and that's just a pain in the bum. And not only that, I'd have to cut the inner wing as well, which I don't really want to do. So I shall sit and persevere and see what I can come up with. So anyway, I'm going to start on the back one. So that's going to be the most difficult, I think. So we'll get on with that, and I'll bring you back in a bit to show me progress. Cheers for now. Thanks for watching. Welcome back everyone. It's very dark, and in the late afternoon. It's took me more or less all afternoon to get this one figured out. It's a bit hard to see, but I've just about got it mocked up. It's not welded, it's just spot tacked, just to get everything done. That's a good finger's width away from the frame, and a good finger's width away from the steering column, so it's not going to hit anything. The only awkward thing is getting onto that bolt. That's a little bit tricky, but I think I might change these Allen ones for normal bolts, hex heads, because then you can just get a spanner on the back or something, but we'll see. So, and the 4-into-1 is down there, not that you can see it very well. There you go. So anyway, there you go for now. I'll carry on tomorrow. Cheers for now. Hello everyone. Right, that's the second one done. Tacked. I'm only tacking them for now. I'll do all the welding all in one go. Let me just bring you underneath, see if you can see what's going on. There you go. Right, 2 front ones now. So, and that's missing the steering column. No problem at all now. Still got a good finger's width between all the parts. So there's a few little small gaps to contend with. It's very, very difficult to get everything in the right place and have no gaps at all, so I'll have to deal with that when I weld it, but it's very, very close. So it's so time consuming when these things are one-offs. You can understand why people charge so much money. They take so long to do. So anyway, right, on to the easy one. Yeah, right. See you in a bit. Cheers. Hello again all. Right, 3 down. And I just thought I'd show you the ins and outs of doing this. It's cutting, bend, well, not bending, but using the bends I've got and cutting straight pieces and making little pie cuts and trying to get it all. As I say, it's only tacked up at the moment, so this is the next part that goes in just before the collector. So that's coming down. That's now got to go up a tiny. Oh, where's my other end? That's now got to go up a tiny bit to go up under the thing, and then the last little bit has got to go down a little bit, so it's got to come something like that. So I'll probably use one of these and make a pie. So anyway, that's the process. Measure 4 times, cut once. So I really should have ordered some more 1-inch tube. I didn't think I'd need it, but never mind. Better to order some more. It only takes a couple of days to come, so I'll see what I've got. I've still got all the, I've only used all these, I haven't used any 90 degrees yet. I've used 145 and I've used all the 4, I think what are 120s or something, but I want to use the 45s for here because they will all, this is nothing in the way. They will just about cut off somewhere there. And they'll all go in there quite nicely, so hopefully I can use all those for that side. So anyway, that's the plan. So right, I'll get on with this last one and I'll show you when it's finished. Cheers for now. Right, after an awful lot of messing about, what are we on? Sunday about 2 o'clock, I think it is, just after 3 o'clock, no, nearly 2 o'clock. We're just about finished tacking anyway. I've got to weld them all up now, so I'll try and take you underneath and show you. There we go. A lot of welding to do now. So I'll better get on with that then. Right, See you later. Okay everyone, time to start the welding. I'm using a Artec 210 EXT. Settings, I'm using 100 amps. What am I on? I'm doing pulse, 35% on time, 50% amps, 1.5 pulses a second, no downslope, end amps off, post flow 7 seconds, pre-flow 0.2, no upslope, and I'm running approximately, let me see, 8 litres a minute, 8 litres a minute pure argon, and I'm using a 12 glass lens cup and a very sharp tungsten 2.4. and what I've also done is I've made this block backflow block, so that'll be coming in at I can't remember what I'm going to set that at. It only needs a bit. Let's just set that off at yeah, that'll be alright. That's about 4 litres a minute. Exhaust will bolt to that and then I can bung the end up and have it back purged. So that's the setup, and I'll get on with that then. I'll bring you back some welding shots. I haven't sorted out a lens or anything. I might see what I can do, so see you in a bit. Cheers for now. Alright, just show you a few shots. See if I can zoom this in. I've just about figured out to zoom this thing now. A little bit too much of a gap there. Probably a little bit too much here as well. tiny hole there. Seen the light? Oh yeah, there's a bit. Awkward lighting in here, a little bit at times. Not bad, even if I do say so myself. That's the nice thing with having such a good fit. I mean, you can't get a perfect fit every time, but well, the back purge is working, that's good. Right, there you go. We'll get on with that and bring it all back when it's done. Cheers for now. Alright, there they are. Well, that's one side done anyway. All welded up and finished. I might skim the heads of the flanges just to make sure they're nice and flat. But well, that's the that's the hardest side done anyway. Well, I think so. Probably going to order just one more piece of. I don't know. I'll have to. I should kick myself for not ordering more flat straight bar. Didn't realise I'd use as much as I did, but there you go, one of them things. Like I say, it don't take long to come, so there you go. Right, I shan't put that on yet. I've got some little exhaust springs coming, which I shall fit just a couple on. I can't remember how many I've got coming now. I think I've got 8. I can put one on each one, so those are on their way. So I'll fit them. They should be here tomorrow, hopefully. And then I can put that on, and that's that side done, and I'll start working the other side out. So there we go, all good stuff. Cheers for now, thanks for watching, see you when it's all finished.